This video will show you how to search in OCC Discovery. Discovery contains about 70% of the library's books, ebooks, videos, and magazines, newspapers, and scholarly articles. We'll start at the library website. In the blue banner at the top of the page, there is a search bar. This searches Discovery. Because of how many resources this searches, you will need to be a bit more specific than maybe you normally would search. Throughout the video, I will show you some tips and tricks to help finding what you need a bit easier. Let's add our search terms here. Most of the time in searching, people add broad terms and then make them more narrow as they see results. Let's start with the search climate change. You'll notice that it gives us options below the search bar of what to search. Everything does exactly that. It searches everything that is available through OCC Discovery. It means it will search magazines, journals, newspapers, books, ebooks, online videos, and DVDs, as well as our textbook collection. If you know that you want to search just for books or videos or textbooks, you can do that as well. We're going to go ahead and search everything. The first thing you will see is that it is suggesting other resources based on your topic and keywords. If you want to, you can click through to one of those resources to do further searching. A little further down the page, you can see that we have over 1 million results. This is an overwhelming amount of results. You're going to want to narrow down your search. There are a few ways that you can narrow your search. One is to add more keywords into the search bar. This will narrow the scope of what you are looking for. For example, I might be interested in how climate change affects coral. I can type the word "and" in capital letters and then the word coral. Let's search again. We've gone from over 1 million to about 12,500, which is still so many results, but it is a much more specific search. Just make sure when you add a new keyword to add "and" in capital letters. This lets Discovery know that you want both of these terms. From here, I'm going to want to continue to narrow my search. We're going to move to the menu on the left-hand side that says filter your results. You can see that there's a variety of ways that you can filter your results. I'm going to narrow my results by resource type. When I click show more, I can see all the different kinds of resources on this particular topic. There are articles, book chapters, books, conference proceedings, magazine, newspaper, newsletter articles, reference entries, and more. I can click on articles. Then, if I know that I want scholarly articles, I can click under Show Only, Scholarly Journals. You can see the number of the results continues to get smaller and smaller. Additionally, if we scroll down even further, we can narrow by publication date. I probably don't want articles back to 1801. So if I switch this to the last 10 years, I can add 2016 and then click Refine. Once again, that has reduced the number of results. You can also narrow by subject area. So let's scroll down just a little bit further. This represents the core topics of the articles. From here, we can see that there are much fewer articles in global warming or climate change or corals than are in our result list. So we could select one of those. Other articles may also mention climate change or coral reefs as examples, but they may not be what's at the heart of the article. Once you have found articles on your topics, click on Download the PDF and see the entire article and read the abstract. If you have trouble accessing the article from here, please contact the library and we will troubleshoot it for you. Also, if you click on the quote icon, it will give you a citation that you can copy and paste into your paper. Always make sure to proofread the citation for accuracy. You can also get the permalink for the article. Now you can get started searching in OCC Discovery. Just a reminder that it has a lot of what we have through the library, but not everything. To see our other databases or what is not available through OCC Discovery, use our library's Databases A to Z list. If you have any questions, please contact a librarian. We are here to help you.